Welcome to Redline Review of the 2025 Jaguar Motorhome, a blend of nomadic freedom and British elegance. The 2025 Jaguar Motorhome marks a daring entry into the luxury travel market by a company that has long been associated with performance and elegance. This coach, which combines the practicality of a mobile home with Jaguar's distinctive design language, is a masterpiece of vehicular luxury made for traveling royalty. Powertrain and Performance. Engine choices include a 3.0-liter inline, 6-mild hybrid with 400 horsepower. A 50-mile electric range plug-in hybrid, PHEV is an option. Drivetrain. Standard all-wheel drive, AWD. The transmission is an 8-speed automatic with adaptive shift logic, and the PHEV accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.5 seconds. Comfortable riding, terrain modes, and auto-leveling adaptive air suspension. This RV maintains Jaguar's elegant driving dynamics, even on winding roads and rough back roads, driving more like a luxury SUV than a camper van. Features of the interior and luxury. Living area, retractable 50-inch OLED smart TV, hand-stitched leather couches, real wood and brushed aluminum trim. Bedroom, queen-sized bed with memory foam mattress, smart fridge, convection microwave, an induction stove, stone effect countertops, and touchless faucet, concealed storage and LED lighting throughout. Bathroom, ceramic toilet and heated mirror, vanity, wet bath with rainfall, shower head innovation and technology, 360-degree cameras with augmented reality views. Jaguar Pivi Pro infotainment with full camper control integration, voice-activated interior systems, lights, blinds, and air conditioning, autonomous highway assist for fatigue-free long-distance driving, integrated solar panels with smart battery management, built-in Starlink satellite internet, optional, Wi-Fi hotspot and full smart home integration, expansion solar panels, plus lithium-ion battery bank, a strong HVAC system with a silent setting, convenience and storage. At campsites, there are slide-out sections to increase living space, heated gear compartments and underfloor storage, a rear garage for bikes or small electric scooters, and a luxurious outdoor lounge area with speakers, a retractable awning, and a grill port. Value and price. Beginning price, around $325,000 US. Comprehensive edition, up to $400,000 US. The 2025 Jaguar Motorhome is designed for discriminating consumers who want limitless luxury, even though it is at the top end of the market. The final judgment. The 2025 Jaguar Motorhome stands apart among its boxy rivals. No conventional RV can match its unique blend of cutting-edge travel technology, classic British style, and on-road skill. Perfect for brand aficionados, luxury nomads, or anybody looking for top-notch adventure.